Now, Monday has a lot of really cool products. They have a CRM, they have a work management tool, which is what I'm going to be showcasing Lumin for you today. But they also do have a number of other products that can work really well in your business. So I encourage you, if you've got any questions or you're looking for, say, a project management tool, that you go and check them out. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do, as I said, I'm currently working in the work management product. And this is going to be a great place where you can utilize Lumin. So as you know, if you're working on a project and you've got, say multiple tasks that you need to complete, say you need to send off a form or you need to get an approval, Lumin can really help you to do that from within Monday. Now, the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to actually download Lumin to be able to use it. So if you come up here to this little puzzle piece in Monday, this is their Monday marketplace. So this is where you can find a load of really useful apps that you can use alongside your monday.com products. You see, we've got Lumin here right at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and I'm just going to install. Now from here, it's going to ask me if I want this available for all my workspaces, or you can specify which workspace. But for today, I'm just gonna keep it with all and go ahead and install here. Awesome. So the next thing it wants me to choose is which workspace. So as you can see, I've got two, but today I want to just use my start from scratch one, which is my work management. And then the board that I want to have Lumin have access to. Now I only have one board, but if you had multiple boards, then you would just be able to select them here. So I'm going to click Add App. So in this scenario, what I am doing is I'm seeking to send an NDA for somebody to sign for an approval. Now, if I was in monday.com and, I had, maybe an update here that I needed to send this by a certain time, instead of me having to leave and go into Lumin Sign, which you can absolutely do, I'm actually just going to stay right here in Monday. So I'm going to click over to where it says Lumin in my board, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so it's now telling me that I'm connected, so we're good to go. So I'm going to close that window, and it brings me right back here. So now it's asking me if I want to drag and drop or click to upload. I'm just going to go ahead and click to upload here so I can get a document in. And let's see, let's just choose an NDA. So we have our NDA here. Now I can change the document if I accidentally selected the wrong one. I can change my due date. So the due date automatically defaults, just like in standard Lumin Sign, to 2 business days from today. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep it at that, or I can of course change it if I want to. And now I want to go ahead and add my signers. Now I can add my signers by email address. That's going to be the easiest way. And then of course it asks me for their name as well. Now I'm in my demo account as Lisa, so I'm just going to go ahead and send it to, actually, I'm going to send it to another colleague. I'm going to send it to Parker. Perfect. So I'm going to send this off to Parker. Now I can add another signer if I need to. So if I need to add more, I can go ahead and add more. But for today, I just have the one signer. Now, if I had any viewers, this is going to be the same as if you were working with standard Lumin Sign. You can add as many viewers as you need to here as well. But if I'm happy with this and everything looks good, I'm going to go ahead and click send. Awesome. Okay. So we can see that, again, I was working with this earlier, which is why it says deleted. But if I refresh, it should pop up with the same name, with the correct name. There we go. So we have our name of our document. We also have the status. So it's going to tell you right from Monday where this document is currently sitting so that you don't have to go and search for this via Lumin Sign or anywhere else. It's also going to tell me my due date, when I created it, and then the person who created it. So if I'm working in this project with multiple people, I can see, that maybe Caleb or Civic or Lori might have created this. And if I just need to, I can just go and check with them to, maybe ask if they can remind the signer or do a few other things. Pardon me. So this is an easy way to check the status of your sent documents once they've been completed. Now, once the document has been signed, this will update to approved, and I will be able to access that, that status and the status of up to 5 of my documents right from within my project. So there's no need for me to have to go out to Lumin Sign. I can see when I open up my project, I can go ahead and check my tab and I can see where the status is. And if everything's great, then I can of course update my project to say done. And you get a little confetti in Monday, which always feels really nice. All right, so that was our Monday.com integration. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks. Bye.